Hey, I'm Fionn.
And I'm Howell.
Some inspectors will be coming to the school to check out some of the things that we've been doing in lessons.
They'll be investigating all of the positive stuff happening in the school and if there's anything that could be improved for the future.
Let's take a look. Understanding what we think about different aspects of school is pretty important to the inspectors.
Before they visit us, it would be really helpful if we could offer our feedback in an online questionnaire. You can either do this in school or at home on your PC or phone. It's actually pretty easy to do and it'll really help our school in giving us a better education.
Your parents will also get the chance to say what they think about the school in a separate questionnaire and by meeting with inspectors face to face. They'll use the information that we've given to help the inspectors ask us more informed questions when they visit. And when they come to the school, you'll see them walking around to see what's going on in class and finding out about our lessons.
You might even be asked to join a group session to help them.
Hi, Howell. Would you be interested in talking to me about your school and showing me some of your work?
Sounds good.
And if you see them around at break or lunch, they'd be really happy to talk to you too.
After the inspectors leave the school, they'll write a detailed report about what they've seen.
And that will help shape our education in the future.